Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your host Gurpal Singh. Today I'm going to lube this throttle and will be showing you how to do it. Remove this handlebar and using 5mm Allen key. Remove the cap and remove the screws as well. Now pull out the throttle cover. Remove the cable, both of them, and pull out the throttle. You can see it has become rusted. I have cleaned it with diesel and applied the grease. Clean your throttle as well. Apply the grease inside and some of the grease here as well. And then put in and install the cables. Then put in the covers. Keep holding the covers and tighten the screws. Push in the cap. Now it has become very free. Install the handle weight as well. I have applied a little bit oil in the screw. That's it guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share this video with others in need. Thanks for watching, take care, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.